Welcome back to the channel. Here we're at the Midwest Rip Rap Festival for 2025. And here's a little preview of our booth right now. As you can tell, we did bring Bob out. We do have some airless footballs and a basketball and some other things that were designed and printed between our printers. But yeah, we will be here today and tomorrow, so if you see us, come say hi. We do have a few maker coins left. Those have been going like hotcakes. And Bob over here has been extremely popular. So if you like our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.